So I've already shared interview prep with AI that you can use different sort of prompts, make a quiz, uh, give the AI that your level of expertise right now. So let's say you are in second year or your master's students, blah blah blah, and then give the company that okay, I'm planning for FAANG, and then you give okay, I have 3 months of times, 3 months of time. So it will give you a detailed plan. But for DSA, I think the plan is a little bit different. Overall interview prep is nice. HR rounds, manager rounds, all these different round take home projects. The whole ecosystem has changed a lot, but DSA still remains the same for big companies. Again, Y Combinator companies might not ask you, startups might not ask you, mid-level companies might not ask you. Specific job positions, if you're applying for a front-end role, back-end role, product manager, program manager, you're not going to be asked DSA. But for FANG interview questions, the first clearing round for a lot of companies, the first filtering round is an online coding challenge, is that DSA round. So you have to be prepared. And what I tell people is it's always good to prepare. It doesn't hurt you. It is always very good to prepare. So you can do this, right? So now the main thing is that you can make your own plan. First of all, don't copy anybody else. If people are doing hundreds of questions, don't copy them. If people are doing all these random things, don't copy them at all whatsoever. So make your own personalized plan. And then if you don't have or if you don't have a lot of time, what I usually suggest is that prioritize the important topics. So BFS, DFS, trees, graphs, and backtracking. If you have more time, then do this. And then for online coding challenge, do arrays, logical questions, two pointer, sliding windows, and again, you need to prioritize these back. So these are the most important. You can say, you can be asked anything. Obviously, you can't predict what's the question going to be, but this is sort of like the most 80% of everything is covered inside this. And then the rest of, and I am assuming that you already know arrays and logical questions, and this is after that. If you don't know anything, then you need to start with arrays, linked list, study okay, what are graphs, what are trees, all these different things, and then go over this. Second advice I always give people: cover all the patterns. You need 14, 15 patterns. Cover those patterns. Make sure that you understand how to solve a problem rather than just solving thousands of problems. You should know if somebody is saying an array is sorted, okay, binary search. If somebody is saying search something, BFS, DFS, uniform cost search, A star search, all those search algorithms. If somebody is saying, okay, you have a prerequisite or a course scheduling thing, topological sorting. So you need to identify, okay, something is happening in this question. How do I approach? And in video interviews recently, I've seen that a lot of interview people who are taking interviews, they will uh, help you. They will literally help you if you go in the right direction. They will try to say, okay, yes, this is the right pattern, or maybe test it out, or maybe use an additional data structure, or maybe use something else, maybe use a hash map, whatever it is. So I've seen people tell me that okay, they got a little bit of help, they got some hints, blah blah blah. So again, there are some revision guides that you can take. There's a revision course I created, but again, all in all, DS is all about practice. It doesn't matter if you're taking a course. Don't look at videos all the time. Don't look at all these random things. Practice. Go heads down, have a book in front of you, have the revision guide, and just visualize algorithms, visualize practice. Two things that you have to do. That's it. The more you practice, the more you are going to get good at it. And yeah, for solutions, you can definitely check out videos. You can check out solutions, but in the end, only practice